Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a delightful treat in store for you, crispy and mouth-watering paneer pakodas. They are perfect combination to a cup of hot chai on a rainy day. So without further ado, let's dive into the easy and delicious recipe. Into a bowl, add some gram flour, some salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, and some cumin powder. Mix it really well, add some water and make it into a thick batter like this. To make these pakoras more flavorful, let's make a green chutney with coriander leaves, green chili and ginger to sandwich in between the paneer pieces. Now let's cut the paneer into triangle pieces. You can cut them into any desired shapes. Now apply the green chutney onto a paneer piece. Then sandwich it with another paneer. Then dip each paneer cubes into the batter, ensuring it is fully coated. Now heat oil in a frying pan. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Now slowly slide these paneer pieces into the hot oil. Fry these paneer pakoras until they turn golden and crispy, turning occasionally for even frying. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes, and once they are beautifully golden, take it out from oil onto a paper towel. And there you have it. Our scrumptious paneer pakoras are ready. Arrange them on a plate and serve them with hot chai and sauce. Look at the crispy exterior and soft flavorful paneer inside. These paneer pakoras are a burst of flavors and textures in every bite. Thank you for joining us today in making these irresistible paneer pakoras. They are a hit at any gathering or just when you are craving a delightful snack. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel and more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!